So your Grand Cherokee has no heat, and you want to know if it's your heater core, your blend door actuators, or your blend doors, which go all the time on these things. Yeah, you can turn it on to the on position. Don't start the engine. Then come over here, hold down your recirculator and your AC button, and give one of your heat dials a quick turn to the right. And what you're looking at there are blend door codes, 52 and 56. And a quick Google search will show you that those are all related to temperature doors or blend doors. What you're gonna have to do is come back here behind your glove box. You can end up cutting a little hole in the air box there. Pop this out. And then there you go. These are your blend doors. If you have a code like the one I had, something in there is broken, though these don't actually look as broken as sometimes they do, but long story short, these are your blend doors. If they're up, you have heat. A lot of times what happens is the plastic gears or maybe your actuator right here goes, and they can't be lifted all the way. They'll be stuck in the middle or maybe hanging all the way down, and then you don't have heat. But like I said, those codes are devilishly helpful, because now I know for a fact it is in fact the blend doors and not the heater core or the actuator or some other bit of electrical voodoo. Don't worry about that hole, you just patch it up. It's fine. Look, a little piece of plastic goes back in, you tape it up with some ducting tape, she'll be 10 out of 10.